you know the whole incident. During that time, what has happened is that CRPF post was attacked, and during that encounter which took place, you know that 10 armed militants got neutralized. You know that. Soon after that, it came to light that 6 persons, 3 children and 3 ladies, have been abducted. If there is anything of that sort, please, we will find it out and we'll come back to you. That day, in encounter, armed militants attacked the CRPF post, and that attack was spotted. You know that. So that is there. Whether they are Sioux or not, we do not have any that information at the moment. But we will verify what you are saying. We will verify and take appropriate action. Those three cases have been are being investigated, and those 3 cases have been handed over to NIA. NIA is now investigating the case, and they will definitely come up with the further development. And we are doing combing operations continuously in that area and investigating it further. Nine deaths you are talking about. Two persons died that day itself when militants had attacked nearby places also, and in that nearby places, 2 dead bodies were found. One more death took place in police firing on 16th or 17th. That was done by in police action. One person. Any arrest? Combing operation and all kinds of investigation is going on. Still, in that area, we have not arrested, but otherwise, other places, people have been arrested. Persons have been arrested. Yeah, NIA is coming up with the investigation. They have got certain the way to proceed with the investigation, and as and when they require help for arrest of the people, we will provide that help and arrest people. Till now, in various cases, 32 persons have been arrested. Number of arms and ammunition have been recovered. Approximately 3,000 out of looted weapons. Approximately 3,000 have been recovered till now. Combing operations are going on regular basis. In each area, all the officers sit together, plan it out, and then they go for operations.